Ramp DeFi is a multi-chain protocol that helps crypto holders achieve capital efficiency by putting their crypto assets to work on multiple fronts. Users can earn staking rewards, unlock liquidity from staked assets, and stack multiple yield streams simultaneously. Users can deposit assets for ultra-high yields in auto-compounding vaults and mint collateralized stablecoins against asset deposits. Ramp DeFi is integrated into multiple blockchain ecosystems like Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and Polygon. Ramp DeFi has RUSD, a collateralized stablecoin solution powered by the platform and with the help of the Ramp token. It's similar to Maker, but also different. Ramp DeFi helps crypto holders who stake and participate in yield farms, but have their capital tied up in illiquid positions. As a result, many of these crypto holders are asset rich, but cash poor. Does that sound like you? Then you're watching the right video. Using the Ramp protocol, users with staked assets can continue to receive staking rewards and unlock liquid capital to grab new opportunities at the same time. It's like having your cake and eating it too, except you can stake your cake on Ramp. First, users earn optimized high-yield returns from their crypto assets by storing them in vaults that have auto-compounding features. Next, users can mint RUSD, a collateralized stablecoin, against those assets to gain extra liquidity and usable capital. Finally, users will be able to transfer RUSD across multiple blockchains, including Ethereum, Polygon, and Binance Smart Chain, freeing them from being limited to one blockchain network. Ramp DeFi is all about collaboration in the industry. So if your project or organization would like to collaborate or partner with Ramp DeFi on something, email them here. It's super cool to have Ramp DeFi on MarketSquare, the new homepage for the decentralized web. Follow us and subscribe, join our Discord, and get your free account at marketsquare.io. See you next time.